Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Mandarin Verbena Pie in Heartopia. So this recipe is the secret recipe at the Modular Street Festival, the new event in Heartopia right now. And if you want to unlock this Mandarin Verbena Pie, this secret recipe, you can uh, go to your serving card. You can go to your brick serving card. This card you can craft it first. Then after that, just tap on it and then just choose this fruit verbena pie. This is the original food. You can buy it from the NPC Massimo. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need butter and then eggs and then lemon verbena. That you can get these ingredients from your gardening hobby. And then next, just replace the fruit ingredients with mandarin and then just tap on start cooking. Like this. And just like that, you will successfully unlock the Mandarin Verbena Pie in Heartopia, the hidden recipe of on this Modular Street event. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!